Hello everyone, my name is Isabel and I am going to be going over my child portfolio with you guys. So basically I had the privilege to observe a 15-month-old girl. Her name is Gigi. She is a, not a fraternal twin, she is an identical twin. And she is 15 months of age, going on to 16. Throughout this profile, you'll be able to see my philosophy, the typical development of 15-month-old. I used the 18 months, which was a little bit closer, in order to show you, like, usually what the toddler is doing at that age. So yeah, I was able to watch Gigi for about an hour. Her favorite word right now to say is stop. She's very attentive, very smart, and she loves music. She just began taking her first steps, and I think eventually she'll be walking soon. However, she does crawl a lot right now, but speed crawling actually. And she loves her sister. Currently going to daycare when she's not home, and she is always surrounded by family. She definitely loves her sister, loves her milk, and she can nap for hours. She also loves to explore her different toys, and she is a very happy baby. So this is Gigi right here, the one on the left. As you can see, they look almost identical, but they both have very different personalities. So basically, my philosophy is basically I want to be able to provide learning for all children, be inclusive of everyone and their needs. I do believe in Erik Erikson's stages of psychosocial development. I definitely feel that our experiences in life shape who we are and what we become in the future, as well as our personality. So basically, the typical development, I chose 18 months because it was a bit difficult to find 15. Basically, for the physical section, they should be walking by themselves, squatting to pick up the toy. Gigi right now, she just began walking, so she is amongst those skills. I do, however, feel like she should do more exercises, such as like pushing the stroller around to help her core balance. She does drink from her sippy cup, so she's well in that area of the milestone. She does like to hand objects to others to show them that she wants to play with them. Also, she's very affectionate, but she is a little bit hesitant about meeting new people until she feels comfortable with you. And I just think that's something to do with the trust versus mistrust part of the child development. So basically, here I have included the usual milestones: 12 months, it goes into 18 months. This is from the CDC, what most children should be doing at that age. However, children do develop at different rates. So yeah, this is Gigi laying on her stomach, holding onto her milk bottle. Right here, she's watching the Baby Shark video that has become very viral, I believe. And she's using small words. With using the DRDP, I was able to see that she is almost at the building level. Right now, she is in the earlier exploring levels of the domains, but she is definitely well on her way to being a very smart baby actually. But I had a really good time observing her, and I feel like this portfolio was able to let me just share what I saw from my perspective, and I'm sure that this will help me get better practice when I do eventually become a teacher, if that does happen. So I hope that you get to visit my portfolio, and I would love any feedback, suggestions that you might think. Thank you.